Electric Terminal Tractor Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global electric terminal tractor market size. It will expand at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. North America electric terminal tractor market size and will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe electric terminal tractor market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size. Asia Pacific down feather market size of $1,753.80 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America down feather market size of $381.26 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa down feather market size of $152.50 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.